Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Mechanics. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where the diesel engine fuses relays are located on Jeep Grand Cherokee, that generation here. We're talking about all diesel fuses, fuel heater fuses, NOx sensors, all those systems, guys, SCR systems as well. Stay with us, we'll talk about that. Do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics if you have problems with your diesel until you watch that video, because it could be simple fix. And after that, if you guys need to buy any replacement parts and tools, we'll guys share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmission codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these free videos. By the way, guys, if you have a Jeep Grand Cherokee with a V6 3.6 engine, guys, we'll have video on that engine, replacing, taking it completely apart, replacing almost any component you can think of, transmission as well. Why we do that? To save you money. Check it out, all this video will be on the channel. Guys, in addition, on our YouTube channels we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So the diesel engine fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them for all diesel systems, including prime pumps and all that stuff. Let's explain on that generation Jeep Grand Cherokee. Quick advice from us, guys. You will have up to 2 different fuse boxes in that Jeep Grand Cherokee depending on the year model. We will explain about both. What do we need to do? Open the hood, guys. Facing the engine, on the left side of your engine on the Jeep Cherokee is the main engine fuse box. Open the cover. Underneath is the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one for 2014 to 2022 year model. This is 2011 to 2013 year model Jeep Grand Cherokee. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. Let's explain about 2011 to 2013 year model first. You don't have so many complicated diesel systems, so we have only one relay, one fuse that we need to check. Then we'll talk about 2014 to 2022. Things get a little bit more complicated there, guys. First, we need to check fuse, that fuse right here. Okay, and this fuse right here, and you need to check relay K7. Now, if you guys have 2014 to 2022, things get a little bit chaotic here. You have quite a few fuses if you have a diesel engine. So guys, the first fuse that you need to check if you have the diesel engine will be fuse number 57. We're talking about this fuse right here, guys, fuse number 57. Now, after that, we need to check fuse number 9, F9, right here, very big fuse. You need to locate, guys, fuse number 63 now. Okay, let us show you 63. So if you come in that row of fuses, that's 64, 63 right here, and you may have 61 as well that you will, guys, need to check too. Also, you will need to check relay K4. You will have a relay right here that you will need to check. Practically, guys, okay, these are the main fuses, relays that you guys need to check. Guys, as you can see, this Jeep Grand Cherokee has all kinds of different fuses, relays, JKs, mini blade fuses, the CB fuses, different kinds of relays as well, depending on the year and model, they may differ, but some of those could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere. That's why, guys, what we recommend, we always keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share the links in the description of the video below, check it out, where we get most of our tool supplies from as well. We can get fuses, relays usually at a good price there as well. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can. Thank you for watching and see you next time.